Hi everyone, today's move of the week is one leg deadlift with circle arms. And circle. So you're doing two movements in one, and again you're working on one leg. Next week we change it up, but again I want to continue stressing the importance of doing exercises unilateral and on one leg. The deadlift part, of course, works your hamstring, your glute, and your core. And then you're going to continue working your core and your leg to maintain your balance as you work your arms and your back, doing a circle without losing your balance. So the advantage is that you're working a little bit of strength, you're working a lot balance and coordination, which means you're working your abdominals, you're working your glute and your inner thigh to maintain your balance, even without a heavy weight. And of course, you're working your arms and your back as you execute the circle. Everything you do on one side, you want to do it on the other side. And see if you have the same strength, flexibility, and balance on the other side. As many times as you do one, you do the other. And again, the advantage is that you're working a lot of muscle at the same time. Specifically, you're working a lot your abdominals and your glute to maintain the balance, as well as your back when you circle, and your inner thigh as you try to maintain your balance when you bring the arm and the weight from one side to the other.